Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my followers, fellow traders, my subscribers, and my students. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye. Today is the 7th day of April 2022. I want to bring you the weekly analysis. Okay. Last week, we witnessed a lot of volatilities in the market, probably because of the unrest, the Russia-Ukraine crisis. The people always panic sell, panic buy in market. Whenever something happens in the world, people begin to react differently in the market. So you see some sharp moves up and down everywhere. Okay, let's go to the real business. But I trade the technical, I don't trade the news. Okay, because at the end of the day, whatever the news is doing, at the end of the day, end in technical. Okay, so now remember what we have here. This web, let me change this very count. Let me put it WXY. WXY. Okay, so there's something, you know, all this move is correction. All this move is correction. The main trend is down. The market is going down after 5 waves, then the correction. So, and now the correction seems to have ended. But you know, we need to confirm before we don't assume. We confirm before we say yes, it has ended. And if you watch, you will see from here to here the retracement has almost gotten to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. You can see it. It was almost there. And many times markets reversed at that 61.8 level. That's why it's called a golden ratio. Okay, so having in mind of this, I am now looking for sell. And secondly, the shape of the market seems to make an ending diagonal. Even if we are still going up, we may not be able to pierce this line and go very sharp up. Okay, we might just touch here again, then I come back. So if you're trading DXY, you need to be very careful. Okay, so let's see 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours. After this move, we get a sharp move down. So because of this, I'm expecting another sell. Maybe some corrective move up, then selling again to give me this A, B, C. This A, B, C can come in form of maybe running flats or something like that. But once we cross this very level, the selling is now confirmed. So let me go down to 1 hour, 2 hours, and 1 hour. Let me know. There's nothing much to show that any rally we get, I prefer sell than buy on DXY because I haven't seen any reason to buy now. Rather, I see I should prepare for sell. Okay. Let's Euro USD. We can now also see the Euro USD. We can see the sharp move and the sharp rejection. The market made a new low and it's being rejected. So the possibility of selling ending here is high. you might not get lower than what we had last week. Just imagine the sharp move and the market turned with speed and going up. So for now, I can only buy Euro USD if I get an A, B, C, or any corrective pattern. I'll just buy and watch what happens here. Okay. Then if I see a sharp move, I mean this type of move again, then I will look for new low. But if I get a corrective move, I will buy Euro USD. Okay. USD card. USD card is also giving us reason to sell. Maybe we will get A, B, C. But this daily chart, we like to trade. We like to get direction from daily time frame and then entry for lower time frame. That's the best idea. So going down to 4 hours, we can see a sharp move. So in this sharp move, it's obvious we are selling. So once I get a nice pullback or correction, maybe like A, B, C, then I will sell once more, at least to this very lower trend line. So just like the way I want to buy Euro USD, if I get a move lower, USD card, I want to sell if I get a nice move. Okay. Because we likely get a sell towards this line, towards this level. Okay, so this one, I'm looking for sell on this one. USD chef. USD chef is making a triangle on daily. For this triangle, it's difficult now to say whether we are getting A, B, C, D, E. Now, if this is A, B, C, D, E, it can only be confirmed when this level is broken. If here is broken, then we know that we are going up. We know that we are going up. It's good to confirm before you trade. Then, but if it is A, B, C, D, E, if it is A, B, C, D, E, then we have to wait for this level to be broken. That is to confirm the sell. That's the only way to trade the triangle. And everything you are doing, you are taking a risk, a necessary risk. So this is daily chart anyway. So going lower, we must see anything to buy or sell. For instance, now in these 4 hours, I have no reason to buy, I have no reason to sell. We have 3 waves with A, B, C. Then can this be the 3 waves? It seems to be making 5 waves. So for this reason, whenever a certain pair is not clear, you leave it and look for others. So here is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we will get 1, 2, 3 again and give us 5, something like this. You may get a move like this. If I get a move like this, that will give me 5 waves. Then I will sell from here down. But for now, I don't have any reason to buy or to sell. I'd rather prefer to sell than to buy. So if I get this, we are at a reversal level already. 0.38, 0.5, 0.618 at reversal level. So if I get sharp move from here, then not that I will buy. If I get sharp move from here, then I will get ready to sell from here because it becomes 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, then 5. So that's the only thing I can do about USD chef. If I get this move up there, I will sell. ounce USD. Remember last week I said that I'm not looking for a new low from here. So I still maintain my stand. I'm not looking for a new low. I see this very move as with one. Then this A, B, C, which seems to have ended because of this sharp reversal. For time will tell. So I'm not looking for a new low. Just like Euro USD again, I'm not looking for a new low. But Euro USD, I can say 80%. Euro USD, I can say that 70%. I favor buy than sell. But this one, 95%, I favor buy than sell. You see this very rejection is enough to tell us that this wave C is over. Though in the market, anything can happen. So let us just keep watching how market moves. Then go down to 1 hour. 1 hour, I see this as wave one. So if I get A, B, C, I will buy. A, B, C. So if price comes to between 1.335, 1.334, 1.333, 1.3, in fact, all this area is a buying zone for me. So I don't longer think about selling. The only thing that can make me sell is that when price comes here, maybe it comes to this level and move sharply down, then I will look for sale once more. But for now, I'm talking about I'm only talking about buying now. AUD USD. AUD USD. I still believe that we will get with Y did not end here. I believe, but with Y is still developing. Okay, but that doesn't mean that we just enter sell. No. As a matter of fact, I can stop looking for with Y if the price goes below here, above here. This is the with X. When price goes above here or price breaks this trend line, I will stop looking for with Y. Okay, or when price closes above this very pin bar, I stop looking for. I mean, I would then assume that with Y have ended here. If not, I'm still looking for with Y to drop somewhere below this level again. So for now, for that, let's go to a 4 hour time frame to take some look. Okay, the market dropped very sharp, going up very sharp. Now, what next? Are we going down? Are we still going up? Let's see 1 hour. You know, whenever the market is making a correction and the move is sharp, sometimes it will get to 78.8 and 8.8. So if the price enters this very zone, I will look for sell from here. And it will be a nice trade because stop loss will just be here. And you know, instead we go very, very down the way I show you on daily and 4 hour time frame. So let's now see using the USD. Using USD, there's nothing much to show on daily. You need to go down to 4 hours and 1 hour. Okay. See another one. Okay, on daily, we are looking for a drop to this level, 0.638 area. Okay, but not much clear here, so we should go to 4 hours to check. Okay, 4 hours. After a break of this, I expected it to continue going down, but it reversed very sharp. That doesn't mean that it would go down again. As a matter of fact, the investor doesn't make me to look for buy. No, I don't look for buying now. I don't look for buying now. I'm still looking for bearish move. Okay, so let's check 1 hour. So if price enters this territory, if price enters 78 and 88 zone, I will sell from here. But if price goes very sharp, I said very sharp below here, then I sell from here. So you know what I mean by very sharp? Very sharp. When price move like this, it's a sharp move. This sharp move, but when price moves something like this, it's a relative move. So if price do this and break here, I won't sell because it will do this. But if price do this, I know it will sell. Then I will look for something like this. Then it will drop again. So learn that now. Yes, but though I have explained this type of things many times. So just to remind you, whenever I say sharp move, you know what it means. You know JPY. Let's go to daily. Okay, here JPY, ABC. Can we get WXY? I think we may not get it because you know JPY sometimes it moves the same direction with USD. Now USD is almost buying, even if it will go lower, it's going to be much. Then if that is to say, if this one, if I label this as WXY, it means we are getting another sell that we might end at 125. So it may not be possible for it to go such deep move again. Okay. So for now, let's go to 4 hours. Now you can see what happened in JPY. Almost what we saw on USD. A sharp reversal. See this move. We said something about this last week that it will reverse around this area, and the reversal is sharp. In that case, what do I expect? What do I expect in this case? Simple thing. This is what I expect. Price enters here. Give me a reversal. Then buy. I may sell from here, but not recommended because the selling is correction. For now, I see this as the main trend. Okay. As a matter of fact, this is the confirmation level for lower time frame trading for intraday. That is the confirmation level. Even if price goes below it, I don't think it will come and give us a new low again. I don't think that. So I'm looking for buy on this also. USD/JPY. Okay, once more, we are seeing something that looks like a triangle, or maybe it's something that we make ending diagonal. For now, daily doesn't have much to tell us. Let's go down to 4 hours. Hours, we can see hours. The selling reverse where we said it will reverse. Now, to buy this, you don't need to just jump in. Don't jump in. So let's see. Check 1 hour. 1 hour might give us a good reason to buy. So if I get either a running flat, something like this, or expanding flat, something like this, then I will buy. Okay. So it calls for caution, but I'm not looking for sell, because this seems to be 5 waves moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or something like, or maybe this is wave 1, this is 2, then this can be said to be 3, then this is A, B, C, giving us an expanding flat. Then this is 5. That's another way to count this. Then if that is the case, then we look for maybe something like, we look for an A, B, then C. So whichever way you look at it, I'm looking for buy. If I ignore this and count this as a single move up, then once again it is also a buy from here. If I count it as 5 waves, it's a buy from here. So in any way you look at it, in any way you look at it, it is a buy. Okay. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, we have harmonic pattern that may not complete. Yes, it may not complete. This can just be 1, A, B, C, 2, then market keep going. So why we put it that we always like to explore all the options available to us, so that if it happens, you would be taken by surprise. Now you can see when this completed, the move is very sharp. It moves very sharp and leaves the zone. Okay, the market turned at our reversal zone and the move is sharp. So we need to go down to 1 hour to know the next line of action. 1 hour, if I get a move to this level, I will sell. If I get a reversal setup from this level, I will sell at least towards this, not just towards this low. Then I watch what will happen again. Okay. Then we will know whether we are getting the buy from here, or we will still get a new low. For now, I can sell from here and watch what happens around here. Let's go to commodities. Gold. Gold is one of the pairs that made a big surprise. Gold and silver, platinum. This type of move, I never expected it. I expected a correction, but this move is sharp. Okay, so for this reason, I'm not looking for buy now. Gold can still buy, but I'm not looking for buy unless I see a sharp move again up. If the move from here, if price goes from here collectively, something like this, then I will sell from here before I look for buy around here. Okay, unless I see a sharp move like this, then I look for this and this. So for now, I don't think about selling gold. Sorry, buying gold. Silver, the same thing. Silver somehow differs with gold on daily time frame, on bigger time frame. Their pattern seems to not correlating as they used to do. Okay, now silver, you can see this move. I still maintain that silver, we might still see this Z, WSYSZ, making a new low. Okay, this very sharp rejection is one of the things that said that I might be right by saying that we are getting a new low. Okay, but before then, let's see 4 hours. And on 4 hours, you can see just a sharp move, just as it happened on gold. 1 hour, so we see it in a better format. Then 1 hour again, I'm looking for correction to this place. I will sell. You will not get this type of correction. You will not get it to this place. It might do something like contracting triangle or give us A, B, C, D, E, and sell. So anything can happen. Just keep watching. You might get a triangle. A triangle. You know what triangle is? So you may not get the price to this very blue box. It can be just it can give us it may give us A, B, C, D, E, and sell. So it's possible. It's possible. Bear it in mind. Okay, platinum. Platinum, not the same thing we see on silver, gold. We're also looking for another sharp sell. Since this sell is sharp, we don't look for A, B, C, then another sharp sell to give us big A, B, C. So no time to waste there. Let's check oil. Oil dropped also. So many of them, the commodities indices did the same thing. So I'm looking for a running flat on this. This is A, B, C. I'm looking for a running flat somewhere here. Then selling will continue. Okay, so nothing much to go into 1 hour to daily and 1 hour, sorry, and 4 hour time frame. Just I'm looking for this to sell. After the sell, I'll be now looking go back to high time frame to see how market is reacting. So now I've shown some pounds page. So let me give you pounds chef again. Then I will go to, I won't make 2 videos today. I don't have the time. So I'll just go to indices and some cryptos. I have only 1 video today. we are looking for talk about this very structure, but for now, we had a sharp reversal on pound shelf. On pound shelf, even if we have this, I'm still looking for sell. So let me go to 1 hour. So we may are looking for sell to sell once more. Once price comes to this level, this is A, B, C. Then now we sell. But the selling might not give us a new low. It may or may not. But when the selling begins and break this low in a strong manner, then we're getting new low. Okay, so that's all. Let me go to Nasdaq and his brothers. US 100. US 100. With A, with B, with C. So my target is to trade with C. So I'm not in a haste. I can trade. I can make a buy in our time frame, but the main trade is I'm wanting to trade with C because it will likely happen. So let's see 4 hours. Remember last week I told you the market will reverse. Last week I said here is bullish stop loss, but don't trade because everything is showing that we are getting a new low, and it happened. So now, after this correction, we get an A, B, C, and the C is perfect C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now, what am I expecting to do now? I can buy this and watch what happens here. 4 hours, it seems to be a little move, but when we go down to 1 hour, you know that it's a big trade. So now, this move is sharp. Okay. The best place to have traded is here. But having missed this one, I will advise you to cool down when we get a nice correction, a nice pattern, then you can now buy. So for now, no trade unless when market opens, I see some move like this, then I will look for buy. Then I will buy. If I don't see if I don't get a corrective move, I will not buy. Okay, so don't jump in. It's never advised to jump in. Here starting, they are saying it's almost the same thing. Let's go to daily first. So on daily, it's making just an A, B, it's made an A, B, C. So can this turn to be WXY? I think we may not get it. We may not get the WXY from this. This move is sharp, and I'm looking for sell. Sorry, I'm looking for buy. If I get correction here, I will buy. And if the buy is strong and break this in a strong manner, then forget about further correction. It seems to be over. Okay. Let's see Nifty. Nifty seems to have ended in our target. We may not get another move down. Remember, this is our big A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a perfect A. Then this is B. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, A, B, C, 2. Then this is just 3. Okay, you may get another move down, but okay, let me Let me check 1 hour. Okay, I can say, let me forget about Nifty now. There are many trades to take. Let me forget about Nifty now. Let me see. Okay, let me go to Bitcoin and his brothers. Bitcoin. I still maintain that Bitcoin has made a new low. That is, I mean, that Bitcoin has ended, that is, selling has ended here. No matter what's happening here, Bitcoin, I still believe it has ended here at 4,000 area. Okay. So whatever is happening here, we are preparing to get this. After this, we get this. Okay, so now let's go to 4 hours. This move is a typical start of next sharp move. When you see, what do you see? What they always show you this sign? This is that you don't know, it doesn't announce itself. This type of move doesn't announce itself. And if you're not conscious of it, you miss it. So always be conscious of this thing will happen anytime. This type of move will happen anytime. That's why you see me always showing you this. You can say, I have been showing this, it hasn't happened. When it will happen, it won't announce to you. So be conscious of it. This is an impulse move, and this is correction. So let me go down to 1 hour. So this is an impulse. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can say A, B, C, W, S, A, B, C. So if price comes to this lower trend line again, let me save this chart. Let me save this chart. I will upload it on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel. You will be getting charts that give you a nice setup. So if this happens, that is when price comes around 7,000, 7,007, 7,005 again, 7,006, 8,000 again. I'll just buy Bitcoin. I just want to have this complete correction before I buy. So if I buy and it goes down, I won't regret. I won't regret it. So, but I don't think it will go this low again. The worst we may get is 61.8. That's the worst we might get. That is 6,600 or 700 area. Okay, so let's see other cryptos. Maybe 2 of them we conclude. Let's go to SRP. You can see it's a similar situation. It's a similar situation. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking for A, B, C. So many of them, that's why I don't want to go to many. Let me check Litecoin again. Maybe I check BNB. So that Litecoin, let's see Litecoin. You can also see it. You see the sharp move. So we'll get this. The buy continues. Once this channel is broken, it's buy. So let's check BNB. Why I'm saying this is that at least for now, you must have to trust me by now, because when many people are saying that Bitcoin is going to 20,000, I said it will never happen, because I know it's not going to happen. So now market is about to buy. Market is buying already. When I say buy, I mean the big buy we expect. What's happening here now is market is just preparing to buy. Market is just preparing to buy. When buy begins, you will know. So, and I can see another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how else will I convince you that I know what I'm doing. A, B, C. We might get this C, or it may truncate and begin to go up. The C might make a running flat. So just we may get it or not. This can be the ABC, 1, 2, 3. This is ABC. Then this can be 1, 2, and so on. So nothing but prepare for the bullish market. If you're buying Bitcoin and other cryptos as an investment, just buy and forget it. Unless you're trading it as a margin, that's when you will be concerned, because margin carries much risk. So, but my message remains: don't miss the next bullish market. Don't miss it. If anybody is telling you that Bitcoin is going to 10,000, just laugh at the person and keep your way, because they don't know what they are doing. Or maybe there are those who like to cause panic in the market. When you sell out of panic, they buy. Okay, that's the only manipulation I know. The only manipulation I know is that people can cause panic so that they can buy cheaper. So, but if you are watching my video, listen to me, and you fall such a victim, you have to blame yourself, because I make every effort to educate you. Yes, the big players can cause panic in order to get lower. They can cause panic, and you sell out of panic, thinking that Bitcoin will go down to 15,000. What you are selling, they are buying. Before you know it, it will go to 80,000, and you need to regret. Okay, so this is the end of this analysis. Subscribe, share, ask the questions, join my Telegram channel so that you'll be getting these charts. All these expressions, I have them in pictures. I show from time to time what to trade all the time. So, and I also have students group. If you're willing to learn, you join my students group. I'll teach you very well. You'll be able to analyze the way I do. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.